So, this morning we're going to have a Spanish omelette made by the professional chef James.
So you didn't make a picture then?
I'm making a recording.
Oh, right.
There
you go. You get here. Actually, it's still,
ooh.
you know, we put it without the oil being enough hot. That's a little mistake, but no major mistake. So here there is some brie, pepperoni, and a couple of eggs and some spices. Well, let's see what we make out of that. This is a bit of the bread.
Famous bread.
Yeah, famous bread. Yeah,
you can see the shape.
Famous shape. Yeah, it's like
homemade.
very nice, and it's no artificial ingredients whatsoever. People come from Barcelona, 100 miles away to get this bread in sacks. It's from my mother's village.
Out of nothing, you're making something very nice, huh?
So there you go, like that. Like that. So the egg falls, all the cooked egg goes down to the.
Right. This is like the Last Supper, huh? The Last Supper.
The last
breakfast.
Then, when it's a bit like cooked like that, you turn.
Wow.
You don't be lazy, come here and feel the comfort. There's nothing wrong there. That's just
Oh. So. Lovely, eh?
And then, cool. So there's a way to do it on the air, you know?
Yeah.
There's a lot of oil.
There's a lot of cheese in there as well, so it's very sticky.
Yeah, like this, sticky.
Yes. Far away.
Wow.
That's good. And then, of course, you got to have it with a little bit of a few olives and chili olives, spicy olives. And there's the pepperoni that we put in, which is called chorizo. Montal. Yes. There you have the Spanish omelette.
Well, this is not the proper Spanish omelette. It's omelette made by Spanish. Because the Spanish omelette is with potatoes and
oh yeah,
potatoes and egg, potato and onion.
So.
Okay, so now we're gonna turn this into a normal, so with some tomato.
Oh, the same again.
Oh yeah, unless you want some with garlic, maybe you want to try with garlic. Oh, I think yeah.
I used a little bit of garlic before.
Make a toast.
Toast, yeah, toast.
But think this maybe you want it a bit soft, so you.
Yeah. Okay. How do you say bon appetit?
Bon profit.
Bon profit.